I just give the prompt, design a high-end fitness studio brand official website. I give this prompt, and now just see the website. It's actually elegant. You can see how much beautiful it is. It's very engaging, and it follows a brand color, and look how elegant this website is, and I am very impressed. So GLM 5.1 is doing great. And if I just go to, it's smoothly working for me, and for a landing page I think it's superb. So using GLM 5.1 you can make this type of website. Okay, so let's get us started. GLM 5.1 in the next generation of flagship model for agentic engineering. It's built for heavy duty coding and handles long text consistency like a pro. And in this video I'm going to show you how to get GLM 5.1 for free, set up it, integrate it with your workflow without spending a cent. But before we deep dive, let's try to understand what this model offers and what actually just giving you this for you. GLM 5.1 is competing with top models like Claude Opus, GPT level system, and in some benchmark like SWE-Bench, it's actually out from many of them. That means it's actually better for coding, better for reasoning, and better real world problem solving. If you check the agentic solution, you will see this benchmark, and it's actually able to work with repo generation, and this is for cyber security, and all of these actually it's a very convenient model. You can work with it. Here are some scenario you can see. If I just run it, the approximately nearest neighbors search optimizations, how it's actually working for it. Look, it's a very complex and efficient model to work with, and I hope you understand the performance of it. Then there is another scenario where actually it's agentic LM workload optimizations work with compared to the Claude Code Opus 4.6, GLM 5.1, Claude Opus 4.5, and GLM 5. And you can see this graph for understanding. And there's the third scenario, building a Linux desktop over an 8 hours. That means it can capable to work with heavy thing. Okay, so here's you can see the details benchmark compared to Quen 3.6 plus, Minmax M2.5, DeepSeek, Kimi K25, Claude Opus 4.6, Gemini 3.1 Pro, and others model. And you can see in some of them it's actually better than them. Okay, so right now to get started, actually what to do? Look, at first you will have to go with GLM coding plan. So here you need to buy a subscription, and right now the subscription plan is actually, if you choose monthly you will have to pay something like this. If you go with quarterly you will have this type of payment. Okay, but I will show you how you can use or how you can just test it for free. So if you want to chat with it, you can go with g.ai. This is direct link. You can just go there and you can simply chat for free here. Okay, so if you need any just a landing page like this, you can just copy this prompt and just click here, and it will automatically generate a high-end fitness studio brand official website. And you can see the full message here. It's actually thinking, and after a few seconds it will be a generate website for you. Okay, finally it's actually created the website for us, and if you just go there you can see this is the awesome website, and I love this website. It's actually more elegant and actually very beautiful. You can go with programs, coaches, stories, book trial, and all of these sections are very amazing, and I love these actually. And the another way you can use, you can just use GLM 5.1 locally by using actual Hugging Face and model scope. So if you go with Hugging Face, you will see it's actually available there. You can just it locally on your machine. Okay, so but think here we will have to use it for free, so that's why I will give you a better option. The better option is actually you have to use it with model. You will simply go to model. Here this is actually model.com, and here if you came, it's offer you GLM 5.1 for limited time period. And if you go to here get started, then you can see here you will have curl, and you will have to hit this API using post request. Then you will have to add a bearer token, then you will define the model, and it will work for you. So okay, so in this video actually I will show this method how you can work with on your workflow to use this model, to test this model completely for free. You don't have to pay until you will have April 30. Okay, so it's actually completely for free. You have almost 20 days for it. Okay, so now what actually you will do, at the beginning you need to sign in. Okay, so let me click this sign in, and if you don't have an account you need to create an account. So here you can go with sign up, and you can continue with GitHub, you can continue with Google or SSO. Okay, so as I have Google accounts logged in, I will just go with the second one. Let me choose my account. Okay, and then continue. Whenever you have an account, then what you will have to do, look, right now I will work with on Visual Studio Code. You can just go with Anti-Gravity. If you have Google Anti-Gravity, then you can open it. Okay, so no matter which coding ID you are going to use, but it's almost same. Let me go to a folder directory, and at the beginning I will create a project folder. Okay, so this could be named something like this, GLM 5.1 test. Okay, something like this. Then we will open Visual Studio Code, and now drag it here and drop it here. Okay, so let me trust it. Now the next thing is that you will go to the extension tab. Here you will have several extension to integrate with external model. Okay, so you can open, you can search for open code, you can search for open code, or you will have another options to use it, that is actually kilo code. Okay, you can go with open code or kilo code either. So you can just install these on. So let me install it, trust this publisher, and after then, so now here you will have the icon. You can simply click here. Let me close these on. What you will have, look here, it's actually automatically choose kilo auto free model. You will have all of this free model available here, but if you need to integrate different model, what you will have to do, look, so you will have to choose provider. So that's why we'll click this setting icon, and from here we will go to providers. Then you can see we will have Anthropic providers and others providers. We will go with custom provider. So let me click this contact, and here you can see you will have to give a provider ID. For example, you can just provide a name. So we can just say it will be model M 5.1. Okay, something like this. So display name will be GLM 5.1 model. Okay, here you need to provide the base URL. So the base URL will be these URLs. Just copy this portion until the v1. Okay, so this will be the base URL. I will just paste it here. Okay, then you need API key. Okay, so how you can get the API key, you need to get the token from here. Let me click this, and we need to provide a token name. So that will be GLM 5.1, and now you can see you will have your API key token. So this is your API key token. Simply back here and paste your API key here. After then model ID, so here you can see it's actually says you have find all of this model. You can add this free model. Okay, this is added, and this is actually optional. You will have to submit it. Okay, okay, so it actually says we'll have an issue. So if I click this submit, it actually says use lowercase numbers and hyphens. Okay, so use lowercase letters, numbers and hyphens. Okay, now it's actually saved. You can see it's actually connected. So when it's actually connected, we'll just close this setting, and now here will came it. So now if you go there, you can see you will have available model. You can choose any of these. Simply just let me choose these on, and if you just ask for anything, for example, you can just ask for create a landing page, create a simple HTML file to make table data. Okay, table data of employee. Okay, something like this. And if I now hit here, it's actually working with GLM 5.1 model. Okay, you can see too many requests contracting model. Okay, and finally it's created a HTML file. You can see here, you can see it's actually created a HTML table, okay, for you, and it's actually done. Okay, so let's see how it's actually working. We will simply go with live, and you can see it's actually created a awesome table for you. Okay, so you can use this for free until it's actually April 30. Okay, so and let me know how you feel it. Is it comparable to latest model of Cloud Code or Gemini, or even you can compare with Gamma 4, the latest model given by open source model given by actually Google. So let me know if it's actually working for you or not.